How to record audio in Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your own audio inside the app. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the top, you can see this yellow like icon. Simply tap on this yellow like icon. Now, on the bottom, there's a record button. Simply tap on record, and here we're in this interface. So, in order to start a new recording, simply tap on this button. So, you must have Pro version in order to use this feature. Unless you unlock the Pro version, you won't be able to record any of the audios. So it's quite complicated like this. So try purchasing the Pro version, and later you can start recording and add your own beats or your own voice into the Djay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.